Welcome back to the channel, guys. So I know I haven't posted a whole lot lately. Been traveling, work's got me going all over the place, but while I was gone I did have a couple things delivered, so thought why not, let's make a video of them so you guys can actually see just progress with the car. So got in contact with a guy on Facebook who's been selling a little dress-up piece for the intercooler. So I said, why not? I'll grab it up and see how it looks, do a review for you guys. So here it is. So you can see it's aluminum and it's machined. I went for the M2 competition with the M colors on it, and it's good quality. It's metal. You can tell it's been laser etched out with the lettering, and then the colors actually held in with a pretty good plastic tape here for this. And then the way it's just held together, it's double-sided sticky tape. As this heat cycles, this is definitely gonna stick on there pretty well, and should hold and hopefully stay on for the long run. So let's get this installed. But that's all there is to it. So if you guys like the video, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I've noticed a lot of the viewers have actually not subscribed, so just helps out with the YouTube algorithm, helps out the channel, and keeps me going to make more content for you guys. But hope you guys enjoy it. I'm out.